Hey team, don't skip this video. This is the best strategy ever. So subscribe, like, comment, and share. Just go to 1 hour. Yeah, let us mark the 8 a.m. opening and closing. Then we go to 1 minute time frame. So after going to 1 minute time frame, we will find an entry because during 9 a.m. opening, we expect the 9 a.m. opening to swap the high of the 8 a.m. closing, then trade back to 8 a.m. opening. Depends with the direction. Yeah, if 8 a.m. opened by and closed above it, then we expect to sell towards the 8 a.m. opening. So and when you look to the left side, you can see we have something like another block here. So if price break above and close above with a body, then we don't have a trade. But if close with a rejection candle, then we will sell. But if you look in between the 8 a.m. 8 a.m. range, we don't have a bid area like the price gonna go back to it unless almost above the 70, above the 50% of it. Yeah, but we will give it a try. But on EURUSD, it was a good setup. This GBUSD, yeah, we'll take a look at EURUSD. Now there's a little explanation. Yeah, you target 10 to 20 pips after selling it. Yeah, scheduling. I mark the 8 opening high and low. Yeah, whatever I've explained. Sell maybe in the opening window. After the opening window, that's 10 minutes, positive 10 minutes. All 9:30 to 9:35 depends with the direction of your daily bias. If your daily bias are bearish, then you're good to go. If bullish, expect to get a reason to continue higher from there. Yeah. So on 8 a.m. we expect to continue from there, above 50% of the 8 a.m. Yeah. So we will take a look. It might not hit our TP on GPUSD, but EURUSD will, because we have a bid array on the discount zone of 8 a.m. You have to know that the premium and discount is in the on every candlestick, on every range, even 5 minutes a range, because whatever that formed that 5-minute candle is in lower time frame, might be 15 seconds. Yeah. So we're gonna hold. That's almost 20 pips. I don't know, 10 to 15, almost 10 to 15, because the range was not that high, 13 pips. If price go there, but there's no bid there and there's no liquidity below there. But on EURUSD, it is very, very accurate. So all the time you just go mark 8 a.m. high in the morning, then wait one of the side to be swapped. After being swapped, then take your buy. I will link the next video of 9:30 to 9:35, how we could have entered buy or sell after this. Yeah, you can combine those strategy, but I can't combine them in one video, but you will. Yeah, you will see how how EURUSD did it. That was EURUSD swing low, and I will mark the EURUSD higher and see how the 9 opening swapped that higher. That's the 9 a.m. 8 a.m. higher was on that candlestick that week. Yeah, then 8 a.m. closed above it with a body, but later the 9 to a.m. candle, this 1 minute, swapped the 9 1 higher. So we took a sell towards that low. The reason why, there's a rejection there in level 1.16030 that are acting as a as a BDRA because you have a volume imbalance there. Yeah. So you could have taken your profit. And now after the profit, you can see how it reacted from that zone. Then went to buy because our direction was bullish. Our buy was bullish. Now it's opened all the time, so kindly subscribe, follow us, be one of us. We're happy to see you. Kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment. Yeah, I sharing the videos daily, so never miss it. Every strategy that's working is all free. Never go to buy anything. Yeah, the link on the description. Join my Telegram channel for free signals and everything for free. Okay.